Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making stuffed peppers. I started with my rice. As you can see here, my rice cooker is going. Half a cup of rice and 2 cups of water. So we're doing the peppers now. I'm just cutting off the top of this and then just clean it out. So of course we don't waste food in this house, so I'm just going to use the top of these peppers, dice them up. Now that I've cut the top and emptied everything here and cleaned it out, I'm just going to put these in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So I just put it in a pan and keep it standing straight. I just removed my peppers from the oven. They were in there for about 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. You don't want to fully cook it because we'll be putting it back into the oven later. For this recipe, I'm using 500 grams of ground turkey and just fry this up. Now in the same pan, add in your veggies. I have a 1/4 cup of diced onions, those peppers, and about half a cup of grated carrots. After a couple of minutes of frying up the veggies, we're adding in the meat. Add in 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now add in a 1/3 cup of grated cheese and a 1/4 cup of pasta sauce. Today I'm using marinara sauce. Now to tie all of this in together, let's add our rice. Now, as you all know, I gotta have a workstation, right? So I have my rice and the meat, the peppers, and some cheese. Now let's stuff these with the rice. So the peppers are all stuffed, and now we can put our cheese. So there's a lot of rice and meat left, and that's just good lunch for the next day. So this is it. This is my version of these stuffed peppers. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and hit that bell notification for my newest video. See you next time.